If your Yale Assure Lock 2 has stopped responding, isn't syncing properly, or you just want to start fresh, don't panic. Today, I'll show you exactly how to perform a full hard reset in the simplest, safest way possible. This reset wipes all user codes, Bluetooth connections, and save settings, bringing your lock right back to factory condition. Let's get straight into it. First, go to the back of your Yale Assure Lock 2 and slide the battery cover upward. This exposes the battery compartment. Now, remove just one battery. Any one is fine. This creates enough space to access the small internal reset button. Inside the battery cavity, look toward the bottom right corner. You'll see a tiny round reset hole hidden inside. If you can't reach it easily, go ahead and remove the second battery as well for extra room. Once you can access it, take a paper clip, sim tool, or any pointed object and press and hold that reset button firmly. Now, here's the important part. While you're still holding the reset button down, reinsert the battery you removed earlier. Keep that button pressed the entire time. After the battery is back in place, continue holding the reset button for a full 60 seconds. This is what triggers the actual hard reset process. Let the lock take its time. Don't release early. Once the full minute is up, go ahead and release the reset button. Put the battery cover back on. Give the lock another minute to fully reboot and then power it back on. At this point, your Yale Assure Lock 2 is officially restored to factory settings, ready to be set up like brand new. And that's it. A simple but complete hard reset for your Yale Assure Lock 2. If this helped you fix your lock or start fresh with setup, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.